want to give us to make our community safer. You want to give us the army. We've been begging you for an army, Mr. President. We asked for an army of social workers and skills developers and teachers and football coaches. We don't need more guns. If this is all you have to offer, then it is a sad story indeed. Mr. President, my community is dying for development. Our children are dying for lack of opportunity. Our children are not involved in the tertiary education system. But you're going to give us more guns. You're going to normalize firearms, weapons, soldiers. Our community is a community in trauma. We beg, Mr. President, we will beg no more. We have asked for fairness. You gave us skewed DEE. We've asked for jobs. You put us out of the system. Come into the Cape Flats and see our foreign nationals, undocumented foreign nationals and their children occupy the school spaces while colored children sit in street corners. Mr. President, you are the reason, and this ANC is the reason why the colored community